I'm very excited about all of you that are coming here to Fitchburg. I want to welcome you here. It's exciting. This isn't something that happens very often, and I hope that you enjoy all the many services that we have here in Fitchburg. We're going to learn more about that from all our department heads, and they'll be up here to speak in just a second.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Fitchburg, at least future Fitchburg. We're happy to have you here. As Mayor Richardson mentioned, we have all of our department heads here assembled this evening, and they're just going to give a short presentation and tell you about the services that each of their departments offer. We also have Katie Crowley from Madison Mayor's office here as well, so if there are any specific questions or items for the City of Madison, Katie can help you out with those. And then after the presentation by our department heads, we'll take questions from the audience here. And then after that period of time, our department heads will hang out in the outer area of the room here. And if you have any specific questions for any of them, you can go ahead and chat with them.
The fire department, roughly translated, bomberos.
There you go. Yeah, that's correct.
We respond out of 3 stations, 2 of which are operational. We have 15 full-time firefighters. The rest are supported. Our emergency staff is supported with a paid-on-premises, paid-on-call department. And Station 3 is the one that serves this area that was built with the town of Madison in mind. So it gives us a better opportunity to have appropriate and well thought out response times that give us the ability to protect this area a little bit better than what we had before with the previous stations.
So we have 3 ambulances that are spread out much farther than that, again, the closest one being on Sayin. Our second one also being in the Fitchburg Fire Station off of Marketplace. We have a third one down in Verona. And then they move and respond to calls as they're needed. My takeaway to you is the big red letters up there that says nothing really changes for you to get an ambulance. Pick up the phone and call 911. Somebody will come.
So we thought the 2 things you would want to hear about from us would be utility bills and property tax bills. So for utility bills, your water bill is going to stay the exact same. So currently you're getting a monthly water bill from the City of Madison, and that will continue. For the sewer and stormwater bill, that with the Town of Madison is listed as a special charge on your property tax bill. For Fitchburg, we do quarterly bills instead. And then for property tax bills, the process will be very similar to what you used to for Town of Madison. I know a burning question is going to be what your property tax bill will be, and I unfortunately don't have enough information to calculate those at this point, but the process will end up staying the same. And then for both, we have the traditional payment method, so online, in person, by mail, and we have a 24-hour drop box at City Hall where you could make your payments. And then a plug for the budget process. If you are interested in how the city spends its money and how much it collects from property taxes, the way to get involved in that is through the budget process. We have 2 public hearings each year. We hope that if you're interested, you would come out and share with the council what you think the priorities should be.
Hello, I'm Wendy. I'm from the library, Biblioteca.
Yeah, there you go.
We have over 100,000 items for you to check out. We've got books, movies, Kindles, Rokus. We all have all kinds of stuff. The most important thing you probably want to know today is your library card that you have will work. You don't have to get a new one. If you want a new one, we can give you one. We are very proud to be a fine-free library, so we're not going to charge you if you're a few days late returning your items. We have lots of programs. I have a program calendar for May back at the table if you'd like to pick that up before you go tonight. We have computers, study rooms, meeting rooms, free Wi-Fi, all kinds of stuff.
If you're looking for any employment opportunities or anyone you know, please visit our website. I've got flyers in the back. We just posted a police officer position starting at $63,000. We'll send you to the police academy, so please spread the word. So there is a variety of different departments you can work for, so please come talk to me after this.
So our vision and our mission, or our mission and our vision, is to serve and respect. Our vision is a trusted, impartial partnership in pursuit of a peaceful community where all members feel safe and respected. 2 neighborhood police officers for the first 6 months, the East and the West, will begin their new role over the next 6 months.
We do a lot for the community, and we welcome the Town of Madison area to our community, and have been looking in earnest about how we're going to be maintaining your roads going into the future. We do take care of the street sweeping and the stormwater things as well, so you'll see our street sweepers out there sweeping the streets. So if you, we should be out there at least once a month. But if you do, have concerns that things aren't getting picked up as quick, you can always pick up the phone and give our department a call, and we're very responsive to those needs.
We do have some frequently asked questions that have already been presented to the city on a regular basis, and some of those you can see up here. One of the main ones is, will school boundaries change? No, they will not. How about your address? Will it change? No, we don't have any reason to believe it will. And you can see the other questions that we have listed there as well. We have all of the frequently asked questions out on our website in a page where you can see those, as well as information about all of the city services that you just heard from all of our great department heads and other team members here at the city of Fitchburg. So I think we can probably, is it the right button?
That's the last one.
That's the last one. We can transition to the open question and answer portion of the presentation. Yes, bus routes are changing. Madison Metro is the transit provider that the city of Fitchburg contracts with. And they're currently in the process of updating their routes, as you may have seen in some of the news media and some of the public information meetings they've been having. We recently had a presentation, actually last evening, at the city council level here in Fitchburg. That presentation shared some of the proposed route changes from Metro, which does, as we also learned today, does affect the Southdale neighborhood, and I see it actually pushes the transit stop to Moreland Road and Rimrock Road, if I'm reading the proposed changes correctly. And we had some additional conversation with our city engineering department, who is leading the liaison work with Madison Metro, and they're actually going to talk to them about an amendment to that route. There is an amendment process that Metro is using on the proposed routes for them to consider further modifications to those routes. So that is an amendment that we will be submitting for their consideration to see if they can keep the bus stop closer within the Southdale neighborhood versus moving it to Moreland.
As some of you may have seen, none of your voter registration is going to change. If you're registered to vote in the town, you will still be able to vote in Fitchburg. At this time, we are currently looking and we had added some money to the budget to find a polling place in Southdale so that you won't have to travel all the way to Fitchburg City Hall or someplace else to vote, to make it a lot more convenient for you.